Welcome to the Christian Hardscaper. Today's video is going to be how we cut these patio pavers and installed our contrasting border. I hope you guys stick around, enjoy the video. It's not too common when you see really nice cuts like these on the edge of a patio. And we're going to take you right through it and show you how it's done. What a serious one. Alright, ladies, gentlemen, kids, grandparents, uncles, aunts,
Mommies, daddies.
mommies, daddies, all those people, all you, everybody, all of you, check it out. So, we got it all laid out nice. I already made the mark. We got about half of it laid out, so I'm going to cut this half so we can get some border in today. Cut, boy, I mean, holy moly, man. Alright, I had music going in the background, guys, and YouTube doesn't like that, but I really don't think that there's any other way to get this crisp of a cut without doing what I did at first, which is scoring the line. About 1/4 of an inch into the pavers, you just score the line of what you want, and then when you go through it the second time to cut it, you know exactly where you need to be, and the score line's really all you see from the end result. And it's, like I said, it is crisp, just like I explained. It's a crisp cut, and you know, it really sets your patio work apart from others. Alright, time to set in the border bricks. You're going to see me pretty much adding chipstone to where the border goes and where these little cut pieces go. The reason being is if you don't add the chipstone and hammer them into place, that's the first point of failure for any patio, is the edges of it, that they'll sink and that they'll fall off. So we try to put them higher and sink them in to know that they won't sink. And we like to use concrete on our edges. One, because you can't use plastic edging with stakes on an open aggregate base like that, 3/4. So we dig a little trench on the side and put concrete around the whole edge. It stops the bedding stone from escaping from underneath the pavers and really helps the edges from not sinking in the future. So that's just how we do it, and like I said, it worked out really good for us. Everything looks beautiful. Definitely didn't want to forget to tell you guys, you saw how I scored the lines and cut them all at once. That's really the most accurate and efficient way to cut something like this, or anything really. Even if you cut in straight lines, you leave the pavers on the ground and you cut them all right in a row. If you cut them one by one, they usually just don't match up the way that you hope they do. But check this patio from this view up here. That is gonna be really sweet. And don't forget, there's gonna be a sitting wall. Probably connects like to right there. I love doing this stuff, guys. This is why we're making these videos. We're sharing it with you. We're trying to inspire other people to, pick up this trade and also like doing it. Okay, everyone, cut's done. Looks good. All right, now we'll level out the edge with the chipstone and lay the pavers in. How you living, Benny?
Getting there.
Aren't you glad that we had the wrong color fire pit the first time? Gives you a chance to practice the hammer and chisel.
Oh yeah, I love practicing the hammer and chisel.
I gotta say, dude, you're doing a great job.
Dude, thanks.
Viewers are saying the same thing.
Can't even see the glue.
Could you do me a favor, bro, and show these guys what you're sitting on? It almost, in the camera view, it looks like you're hovering. It looks like you're floating in midair, bud.
Dude. That's the chair you need to get right there.
Wow. They call that the Mason triangle.
Mm-hmm.
That is a stool right there, guys. That is a stool.
Hurt your balls a little bit, but get over it.
I think you can say that on YouTube. That shouldn't be a problem.
Balls?
Yeah, right?
Of course.
Could be talking about soccer balls.
Talking about any kind of balls.
That's it.
Play balls, soccer balls, football balls.
You know, Benny keeps the day light. He keeps it going. Alright, guys. Let's get back to Okay, guys, the cut is made. Looks good. Rinse down. So Benny's gonna work on putting all these border pavers in up to where we stopped that cut there, and then Benny, I think once you get to that point, dude, this patio's done. I think we can call the patio done. We're onto the walkway, bud.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, guys, day's coming to an end. Got one more thing I'm gonna do here. Benny got all the walkway laid to the basement door, and we got the border laid out and marked. So this side's marked up, and that side is. I had no idea Benny did that in the camera until I went through these videos, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something and also had some laughs. We always have fun on the job, and we come up with products like this. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like and subscribe. It's really helpful, guys, and check out the channel for a lot of other videos like this. So again, thank you for the view. God bless.